Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you all are safe and well at home. So, yesterday we have completed with 7 presentations, right? So, today we'll move to next 7 presentation. And before moving to 7 presentation, will show you something on the screen. It's a learning, basically, it's a learning words which you have to add in your vocabulary. So, let me share your screen. Siddhi ma'am, please share the screen of the video. So, guys, take a paper and pen, and whatever I'm explaining, just write in the piece of paper. You have to use these words tomorrow for the tomorrow's extempore. Hmm. Okay. So this is the PPT which is being prepared by, I don't know who the intern was. I don't know the name, but very thankful for this PPT. Yes, Siddhi ma'am.
Formal to informal, instead of saying avoid, you can say evade.
Siddhi ma'am, you can mute this. You can mute this one. I will make them explain by my own language. Just get back to the front video, ma'am. Back from the beginning, ma'am. Yeah. So guys, this is the PPT that has been prepared by one of my, not my intern, but our intern. And I do not know like the efforts you have taken. It's like appreciable. Okay. Siddhi ma'am, please start from the beginning, ma'am. And from one word, and then please pause the video. Then second word, then pause the video. Okay. As soon as I say, start the video, ma'am. Okay. So first word is formal, informal. See, these two words are already, you already know in your organization. Whenever you work in a company, these two words are very, very easy to use. Formal means whenever we join a company and become a part of it, and we have to work according to it. A formal behavior, a formal posture, a formal personality. That is called formal. Informal means whenever we go for a party, whenever we do a get together with our friends, and whenever we chat with our friend, that is called informal. Informal means something that is not related to the organization, something that is not related to the ethics, to the school, to the college. Okay, something that is very free, in which you can surround yourself. You are the king and queen of the world. That's called informal. Okay, got it, guys? Please note these words. I want these words on the copy because I some asked for that. So don't make excuse that I didn't note. Okay, okay. Siddhi ma'am, next. Next word is see them. Wait. Next word is avoid and evade. So no, anyone knows the meaning of avoid and evade? Anyone can tell me?
Avoid means ignore.
Ignore, good. And evade. What is the meaning of evade? EVADE. Evade. Anyone?
Ma'am, is it
Guys,
the
you can
same
search.
meaning?
It's the same meaning. So
Ma'am, they
avoid.
both mean same.
Same. I know that both means. So what are these
Yeah.
words called who have the same meaning? Synonyms or antonyms? What we call them?
Synonyms.
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 Right. So avoid. So ये जो words है ना, that means you don't have to words now. You don't have to use these words avoid. Now you have to use the word evade. ठीक है? In your lines. Please stop evading. Please don't evade me. Please, I'm not liking this. Evade this right now. I'm evading junk food from my diet. So instead of using the word avoid means hatana या ignore करना, we'll use the word evade. EVADE. What is the word called? Evade. Write in your copies. Don't use the word from tomorrow avoid. Use the word evade. EVADE. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, next. Wait. What is it? सिक के आगे क्या लिखा था? ये लाइन क्या बनाई है इसने भाई?
Ill, ma'am. It's that.
ओके ये डैश
Ill.
अरे भाई आई के ऊपर वो लगा लिया फुल स्टॉप में, मुझे पता चलता आई है. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट वर्ड है sick and ill. मैम स्टॉप. So instead of using the word sick, you can use the word ill. Or instead of using the word ill, you can use the word sick. Sorry sir, I am not able to attend today's class because I am ill. Yeah, sorry sir, I am suffering from this illness. Yeah, this sickness. Sickness वाला word तुम रिप्लेस करके इलनेस में कन्वर्ट कर लो. Instead of using the word sick from today, start using the word ill. तो फर्स्ट वर्ड है फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल, सेकंड वर्ड है इग्नोर दैट इज एवेड, एंड थर्ड वर्ड है सिक मतलब कि इल. मीनिंग सेम है दोनों का, बट यूज इल करना है आपसे, वर्ड सिक नहीं करना है. ओके, बिकॉज इन द फॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कंपनीज यू नेवर यूज द वर्ड आई एम सिक, यू विल ऑलवेज यूज द वर्ड आई एम इल. सिक होता है इनफॉर्मल, इल हो जाता है फॉर्मल. गेट दैट? ओके, नेक्स्ट. Ma'am, wait. Get back to give up, quit. Yeah, stop, pause. Thank you. So now next word है give up, quit. So instead of using the word I just give up, मैंने ये उम्मीद करना छोड़ दिया है, या मैंने उम्मीद ही नहीं कर रही हूँ, या you can speak like I have already given up on all the efforts. You can use the word quit. Quit मतलब छोड़ना. Quit मतलब वो चीज जैसी थी मैंने कोशिश करी मगर मुझसे नहीं हो पाई तो मैंने छोड़ दिया. So instead of using the word give up, start quitting. Quit to smoking.
Ma'am,
Quit
but
to
like these two words are slight differently. We meanings are different. Ma'am.
meanings are different, but who said the meanings are give up? Whenever we are doing a work, we always used to say give up. Like we used to give up on the works. Like, or sometimes we say we have quit. हमें छोड़ दिया ये काम, इसी में छोड़ दिया. Like meaning different है. Yes, one meaning is positive. Yes, I know. One meaning is for positive thinking and other meaning is for negative thinking. But इनका meanings यहाँ पर same ही होगा. According to English vocabulary, give up and quit both have the same meaning, but in different aspects. एक negative aspect है, एक positive aspect है. Give up इंसान तब करता है जब वो कोशिश करता है फिर छोड़ता है. और क्विट मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम वो क्विट कर देता है. गॉट दैट? गिव अप तब करता है जब उसने बहुत से प्रैक्टिस कर ली होती है. लाइक एक बार कोशिश करा, दो बार कोशिश करा, तीन बार कोशिश करा, तब वो हारा. दैट इज कॉल्ड गिव अप. आई गिव अप नाउ. एंड क्विट मींस फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट क्वेश्चन देखकर आपने क्विट कर दिया हो, छोड़ दिया हो वो क्वेश्चन. गॉट दैट प्रभात सर?
Yes,
प्रभात
ma'am.
सर?
Yes, ma'am.
गॉट दैट? ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
And everyone has got the meaning of both?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Siddhi ma'am, next. हाँ, next is empty and vacant. You both know the meaning ना, हम empty and vacant कब यूज करते हैं? Empty is for जब कोई चीज खाली होती है. This mug is empty. Yeah, this mug is vacant. And vacant word is always used for the jobs. Like there is a vacancy. There is a place. Vacant मतलब जगह खाली है. And empty मतलब वो पूरा खाली है. ठीक है? तो never use the word the place is empty. Use the word the place is vacant for the job seekers. Got that? Got the difference in vacant and empty?
Yes, ma'am.
For the
हाँ,
empty
बीच में क्या बोल रहे आपने सुना ही नहीं.
मैं ये बोल रही हूँ empty word हम यूज करते हैं जब हम लोग कोई, जैसे ये आप देख लो, ये जैसे मान लीजिए ये बकेट है, दिस इज अ बकेट. ठीक है, इसमें पानी नहीं है तो दिस बकेट इज एम्प्टी. इसमें कोई पानी नहीं है तो एम्प्टी यूज करते हैं. एंड मान लो कभी आप लोगों को कभी पोस्टिंग करनी हो लिंक्डइन पे या फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे, सो यू विल से देयर इज अ वैकेंसी, देयर इज द प्लेस इज वैकेंट फॉर द जॉब सीकर. मतलब कंपनी बिजनेस में एक जॉब है जो वैकेंट है एक इंसान के लिए. ठीक है? गॉट द पॉइंट? सो नेवर यूज द वर्ड एम्प्टी in the posters, like the place is empty for the job seeker. No, the place is vacant for the job seekers who want to apply for job. ठीक है? Everyone has got the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Sir, next. Ma'am, next. Okay, ma'am, stop. The first word is meant and the other word is repair. Okay, who can tell the meaning? Explain the word meant in a sentence. Use the word meant in a sentence. Anyone? Like meaning is same, we know. Repair मतलब होता है ठीक हो जाना, कोई चीज खराब हुई हमने उसको रिपेयर करा. Meant का मतलब यही होता है. When anything is like broken, we used to mend it. ठीक है? But anyone can explain in a sentence of this word. Anyone? Meant.
I repaired my laptop last night.
Wow. Very good. Good. And yes, ma'am. आप बताइए, ma'am.
No one can mend the specs I broke.
Good. Very good. So instead of using the word repair, you will use the word mend. Because repair word everyone use, na? So what is the difference between an advanced English and a pro English? Right? Sorry, in a normal English and advanced English. ठीक है? So instead of using the word repair, we can use the word mend. MEND. याद कर लो, ये दिमाग में वर्ड्स घुसा लो. कि मेंट मतलब होता है कोई भी चीज जो टूट गई है उसको रिपेयर करना वापस, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेंट. ओके, एंड रिपेयर मीन्स द सेम, मीनिंग सबके सेम ही है, मगर वर्ड्स कुछ कहाँ यूज करना है वो ये देखना. ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द वर्ड sickness we are using the word ill, instead of using the word repair we are using the word meant. ठीक है, तो exchange the words from a dictionary vocabulary. Okay ma'am, next. Idea, notion. Okay ma'am, stop. Instead of using the word idea we can use the word notion, Notion. ठीक है, we have an idea, I have an idea, sorry I have a notion, I just got a notion. Can I explain that notion to you? Yes ma'am, you can explain your notion. So instead of using the word idea we can use the word notion, Notion. Notion मतलब कि idea, मतलब कि idea in Hindi is called तरकीब. मुझे तरकीब आई.
सुझाव.
सुझाव.
सुझाव तो
राइट,
एडवाइस
वेरी गुड.
होता है मैम.
सुझाव,
सुझाव मतलब एडवाइस होता है.
तो तरकीब होता है क्या? तरकीब है आइडिया का मतलब, मुझे नहीं पता हिंदी का, मैं पूछ रही हूँ. आइडिया तरकीब होता है शायद, तरकीब निकली है, आइडिया आया है. हाँ
हाँ मैम, तरकीब होता है. सुझाव मतलब एडवाइस होता है.
मैम सुझाव भी होता है ना, लाइक हम वी से दैट डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया, लेकिन आपके
सुझाव
पास
है.
कोई
हाँ हाँ,
सुझाव
वेरी
है
गुड,
तो
सही
आप
बात है. हम बोलते हैं
हमें
good.
सजेस्ट करिए. लाइक वी यूज एंड से,
हाँ
we can use like one word has so many words and different meaning, no ma'am.
ठीक है. हाँ राइट सर, इनको भी कुछ बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंटोनियम्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंटोनियम्स. दैट इज सिनोनिम. सिनोनिम मींस
Antonymy.
yeah, synonym means two words same meaning, antonyms mean two different words मतलब same meaning. Got that? तो ये जो
Ma'am,
सुझाव है
antonyms
ये है ना.
means opposite, right?
Antonyms is opposite.
Opposite, right? Yeah, they're opposites.
Yeah,
Antonyms
Yes,
means
yes.
opposite and
Antonyms
synonym
means
means
two words have different meanings.
तो
yeah.
जैसे
Similar.
we have
Exactly opposite meaning.
we have सुझाव and we have तरकीब, right?
Ma'am, they are synonyms.
Tarkibi is the best appropriate word.
Okay, in Hindi we call them पर्यायवाची, right? पर्यायवाची, I don't know.
पर्यायवाची.
Yeah, but that only.
राइट. मेरी हिंदी थोड़ा वीक है यार, सॉरी. ठीक है, तो आइडिया नोशन सर आप समझ, प्रभात सर आप समझ गए ना, बेसिकली आपको समझाना है मुझे. आइडिया नोशन मत समझ गए ना आप सर?
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है मैम, नेक्स्ट. हिंदी तो भैया मेरी तो माशाल्लाह है. देन सी, ऑब्जर्व. बहुत इजी वर्ड्स है, लिख लो इन्हें पेपर पे. सी, इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द वर्ड आई एम जस्ट, कभी ये नहीं बोलते सीइंग, कुछ नहीं होता. सीइंग आईएनजी कुछ नहीं होता. सी रहता है, पास्ट प्रेजेंट टेंस सी रहता है. ओके, नेवर यूज द वर्ड आई एम सीइंग द सिनेरियो. नो, आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग द सिनेरियो. गॉट दैट? सी के कभी आगे आईएनजी नहीं आता. नेवर यूज द वर्ड सी विथ प्लस आईएनजी. वी ऑलवेज यूज द वर्ड सी. पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर कुछ भी हो, आईएनजी नहीं लगता, ना आईएनजी लगता है ना ईडी लगता है.
मैम पास्ट में 100 होता है.
सी सॉ या सी सॉ सी सॉ या वॉचिंग. मैं कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ यार. सी सॉ, आई सॉ द इंसिडेंट, आई विल वॉच दिस. Yeah, see,
Ma'am,
saw, watch, I
present
think.
we use seeing, right? In present particle, so we use seeing,
Past we use
and in
saw.
past particle, we saw
See, saw.
seen. Yeah, we can also use
See,
seen.
saw.
Seen. Yeah.
Yeah. See, yeah, guys, see. We never use the word I, but this is very clear that we never use the word ing with see. We always use see, saw, and seen. In present we use the word see. In past we use the word saw, and in the coming future we use the word seen. मतलब देख लिया. ठीक है, तो instead of using the word see you can use the word observe. OBSERVE. Guys, मेरा तो बहुत ज्यादा भी confusion हो रहा है. It's okay. ठीक है, तो see, instead of using the word see we use the word observe. Okay, ma'am, next. Very well. The one who are participating in this na, very well. I want this only activeness. The next is want, required. You all know want means कोई चीज चाहिए, need. ठीक है, and required means same. Require a house for a rent. Require a never use the word require for chocolate. No, require book to read. I require pencil to write. So this is the same. Okay, ma'am, next. Life, recite. Guys,
Ma'am,
this
that's
is very
leave.
important. L-I.
No, not live.
Ma'am,
Live,
that's
reside.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Live,
live.
Live.
Live, ma'am.
live and reside.
Reside. To stay. To
एग्जाम्पल
stay.
तुम लोग कोई मुझे
Yes.
एक एक्सप्लेन कर दो, यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन कर दो इसका मीनिंग
No,
स्टेटमेंट के
leave.
साथ.
Leave, reside. So I'm residing in X community. It means that I'm living in that community. So live, reside.
LIVE, yeah, right.
Yeah,
Life
live.
means LIFE. Right, right.
हाँ,
Live.
live होगा और live भी
LIVE.
होगा. So
See guys, LIFE you use for the like we are like life. जो हमारी जिंदगी में हम लाइफ बोलते हैं, ठीक है? And LIVE means the place we are surrounded with, the place we are living in. ठीक है? That is called live. So
So
decide
live
that means ना
has
आप कहाँ
two
के रहने वाले
pronunciation. They have two pronunciation,
हो.
live and live. It
But
depends on the
yeah.
sentence and the situation.
Right, right. And in the word you decide means where we are, like people ask me, where do you live? So you're using
Yeah.
the word live, you can use the word decide. That I'm
Yeah,
deciding
where
in
do you
Bhagavad.
say? Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So guys, कितने
Yes.
words हो गए total?
10 words.
9, ma'am. 9.
It's 10.
10, ma'am.
Okay, one
10, ma'am.
10, ma'am. 10.
10. Okay, so guys, one more I'm telling you the words again so that you can get an idea. Use this word because tomorrow we will have the extempore competition. For the extempore, you will use these words only in your in the extempore. Okay. Okay. So the first word was formal, informal that I already told you. Second word was
Avoid
Quick
and
and
evade. Avoid and evade.
Avoid and evade.
yeah. Okay. Third word was tell me by yourself, guys. Third word.
Sick
Sick
and
and
ill.
ill.
Sick and ill.
Good. Fourth.
Give up and
Give up, quit.
Give up and quit.
give up and
Fifth.
empty and
Empty
vacant.
Empty and vacant.
Empty हम कब use करते हैं? When we use the word empty.
पूरा जब खाली होता है
पूर्ति खाली चीज के लिए
पूरा empty
Vacant.
Vacant
Vacant
uses
किसी
like for
स्पेस
job
के लिए या
and
जो
for houses
स्पेस
also.
Next word.
Mend and repair.
So no one will use the word today. No one will use the word repair now. Use the word mend. 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 Okay. Next.
See, observe.
Idea and notion.
idea notion
You will not use the word idea now. You will use the word motion. Motion. Next.
see observe
See,
See and
observe.
observe.
See guys, confuse मत होना. C और C में confuse मत होना. एक होता है see, एक होता है saw, एक होता है seen. See मतलब जो हम देख रहे हैं अभी वो see है. Present tense. ठीक है? Saw मतलब जो हो चुका है. The one already exists. ठीक है? And seen मतलब जो अभी होने वाला है, जो हम अभी देखेंगे. ठीक है? Okay. Next.
Ma'am, like see means it means that just we are just staring at it, and observing means we are keen in that thing.
Getting into it.
Right.
Getting into it.
But you know, observation is something different. Like watching and observation
Yes,
different.
very
Watching
keen. We are very focused.
Yeah, and observation when we take out the points of leaf that or also that's for observation.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Right. Next word.
want and require
Want and require.
Okay. Next.
live
Live and
Reside.
reside.
Live and reside.
Live and reside.
Last word is live and reside. मतलब कि people if ask you where do you live, don't use the word live. Use the word where do you reside. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? ठीक है? Don't use the word live. Use the word reside. मतलब कि the place you are living right now, the city you are living right now. That is called the residence. Right? Okay. ये शब्द मैम.
Sakshi ma'am,
जी.
ma'am, I was saying that we also have to go for the PPTs, right?
Yeah, ma'am. This is the last word. 10 words मैंने दे दिए मैम. कल लीरो एक्सेप्ट में यूज करेंगे इन वर्ड्स.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
ये सिद्धि मैम स्क्रीन शेयर कर वो स्क्रीन कह रही हूँ. ये बंद कर दीजिए मैम. 10 वर्ड्स हो गए. हाँ जी मैम बताइए.
Ma'am, you said some competition, no, ma'am. What we have to do with these words, like?
I will explain you tomorrow for extempore, how to say extempore, how to deal with extempore, and what to do in extempore. That I'll explain tomorrow for sure. Okay, because extempore and all this stuff, you need to be well prepared. Like as I make you prepare for debate now, for all the stuff, how to hold mic and all stuff. For the extempore also, I'll prepare you that in that way. Tomorrow, practically
Okay.
we will learn everything. Not theoretical, just practical learning tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, practical learning, मतलब theoretical learning. Okay, some
ma'am.
points and all this. ठीक है. तो आज के पॉइंट्स मुझे पता है मेरी आज थोड़ी गलती होगी क्योंकि मुझे सही में समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं आज बोल क्या रही हूँ. मैं खुद ही आज लगता है नींद में हूँ. मैं मुझे क्या निकल रहा है मुझे नहीं पता. बट स्टिल आप लोग मुझे सही कर रहे हैं. दैट्स वेरी वेल. दैट मीन्स यू आर होल्डिंग गुड कॉन्फिडेंस नाउ. सो डोंट थिंक लाइक तुम टीचर को जवाब दे रहे हो या उनको समझा रहे हो तो बहुत अच्छा है. बिकॉज कभी कभी मैं भी गलती कर सकती हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट परफेक्ट, राइट? So for that,
Yes.
thank you so much, and it's totally appreciable. If you know something, tell to me. If I know something, I'll share with you, because I'm also not a MA professor. I'm still in a learning process, but still I am holding that qualities and that's something strength which I'm helping you to gain through. Okay, so don't feel
Yes.
like कि हम बता रहे मैम को तो मैम बुरा मान जाएंगे. तो ऐसा guys कुछ भी नहीं है. Like I also felt that you are learning, like you are taking attention in the class, and that is very good. That only I want. Okay, thank you so much for that. So basically, for tomorrow you have to prepare these words. Okay, in the extempore competition, we'll have the extempore not competition but extemp. I'm joining from lab. Okay, so for the extempore, I'll make you learn how to hold the mic, how to speak in extempore, and what things you have to add when you are giving extempore competition. Okay, so tomorrow we have the practical class basically. Okay, so you have enjoyed today's session, like 10 words and all those stuff. Yeah, because you have to replace now. Replace the words now. Instead of using the word vacant, balti khali hai. बाल्टी वेकेंट है, यूज करो ना नए वर्ड्स अपनी डिक्शनरी में, तो फिर लोग समझेंगे ओके यू आर नाउ मूविंग टू अ एडवांस इंग्लिश. नॉर्मल इंग्लिश एवरीवन कैन स्पीक अ नॉर्मल इंग्लिश, ठीक है, बट यूजिंग डिफरेंट वर्ड्स will make a difference inside you. Okay, for that
Yes,
only I have
ma'am.
joined these classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we'll Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम जरा आप बुला लीजिए, किसको बुलाना चाहते हैं, पहले उनका ले लीजिए मैम. शीला
मैम सबसे पहले समीक्षा मैम को बोलना है.
समीक्षा मैम उनकी तबीयत खराब है.
यस मैम.
हाँ हाँ, समीक्षा मैम को ले लेते हैं हम, उनकी पीपीटी देख लेते हैं और फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. और
Ma'am, I have done, ma'am.
yeah, actually I was little confused with the name. Topper,
Srilekha, ma'am.
Lekha, Topper ma'am, and Samiksha ma'am. So Samiksha ma'am will take the presentation. Will give the presentation. Okay. All the best. Great success.
Thank you, ma'am. Isn't my screen visible? I'm sharing. It still says, am I visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, hello.
BTS. Woohoo.
Yes, I'm a BTS fan. Anyway, I'm going to start my presentation on tips for personality development. And
Samiksha ma'am, only give 2 points. Only explain 2 points. Only explain 2 points. Any 2 points, okay? Only
any
2
points. Okay, then I'll ask. Okay.
PPT is so very good. It's looking like a book. Oh, wow.
Be a lion in the face of danger. Hold your head high and roll into action. Be brave. The obstacles in life will look so much sinister as you fear them. Fear brings everything we do. Fear is a part of it. If we can conquer fear, we can do anything, and we can become lion. And second one, stay calm with the power to breathe. Just breathe. It actually works. I have tried it, and when you breathe, your heartbeat calms down. If you take a long breath, and when you panic, take a breath and hold it, and you will know how to recover from anything. Staying calm will help you think clearly and rise out of any challenge. Thank you. I think that's done. 2 points.
Okay. So I will give you 1 point because being a BTS fan, I can give you this much. 1 point for that. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
The presentation is quite good. The creativity, we can see it's very higher. Like the book form you have prepared is looking like a real book that we are turning the pages and we are going through the PPT. So it was quite attractive. So provide me that PPT in my WhatsApp, like on the group only. Okay. And explanation is quite good. One thing that I want to clear here is that being more expressive. Be more expressive. Okay?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
now the stage is yours. Now the mic is in your hands. So be as much expressive as you can. Whatever thoughts you have come into your mind, just express in your way. Don't feel shy that what ma'am will say, will ma'am stop me or not? Ma'am will not stop you in between. Ma'am will stop you after the presentation. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Take
ma'am.
care. And because today you're not feeling well, so I'll not say anything more to you. You just take care. Have a little bit,
Yes, I'm going to take medicine.
pamperness by your parents. And what is that behind? It is like something like a window, like that.
It's my window.
Wow.
Have it open right now.
Good. Keep that open. You will feel good. Okay? And okay, so we'll see you tomorrow then. For sure, get well soon. We want you back in our classes. Be active and take care. Okay? Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
God bless you, beta. Okay. Shraddha ma'am, up on our next ma'am.
Sheetal ma'am has raised the hand. He'll call Sheetal ma'am.
Okay मैम, शीतल मैम आ जाइए मैम.
Yeah, ma'am. Wait a minute.
थोड़ा स्क्रीन दिखा दीजिए मैम, शक्ल दिखा दीजिए मैम थोड़ा सा.
एक मिनट.
मुझे आपकी शीतल मैम इसलिए पसंद है कि आपको देखकर नोबिता की याद आती है, याद आ जाती है. इसलिए मैं आपको मतलब दोनों को देखना चाहती हूँ क्लास में.
चल,
हाँ मैम, स्क्रीन शेयर करिए मैम. आपकी आवाज में लग रहा है नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है शायद ना.
Is there
visible मैम. Explain any 2 points only. Okay, any 2 points. Wow.
okay. Hello everyone, my name is Shanshi. Today I'm a PPT on tips for personal development. So the first is know you are incorrect. There is a quote that comparison is thief of joy. So that everyone has their own uniqueness. So be uniqueness. You need to sharp uniqueness by your hard work. Then own craft. Like focus on your skills, try to learn new things. So it will help you to present in focus on yourself based. And what's the point? The main thing is when you go on social media, the other and thought like kash aise hote, kash hum वैसे. Not like they also those people also try so well that they are now the too good or are somewhere in life. So compare yourself that way. Then yourself is set where you are. Don't compare.
Sheetal ma'am. Ma'am, I think there is a network glitch from your end because your voice is breaking a lot.
Okay, ma'am. Now I'm audible.
Ma'am, it's still breaking. Like I thought it's an issue from my end only. That's the reason I thought that. But when Padmaja ma'am messaged, I understood that.
Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आई एम आस्किंग लाइक जो हमारी पेमेंट्स हो रही हैं मैम इंटर्नशिप की हायरिंग पे, तो
मैम
पेमेंट नंबर.
साक्षी मैम वो
हाँ जी मैम.
बाद में आप मेरे को मैसेज कर दो, मैं देख लेती हूँ.
ठीक है,
एंड शीतल मैम ओके, आप कंटिन्यू करो. मे बी नेटवर्क ग्लिचेस है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आप कंटिन्यू करो.
Okay. Accept yourself. Accept where you don't your initial ending point. Like show their hard work, struggle, what we call it now. Yourself and compare to then the next is learn to. So many things comes under there's so many things comes under this to let go. So this one thing that it's all about minds. People are there to rest. So just let that change. Go. That is by learn from. Not those who fail in their life, those are those who don't do anything. The real failure are those who try. Who are in life, and if they fail, that's not a big deal. If the big deal is when you skills, your thing you want to do in your life, but you are afraid to because of fear. So learn to let go your thought. One time I faced it, how can I go again? How can I go again? So those things. Thank you.
Okay, Sheetal ma'am, you did it very good. Actually, there was a network glitch from your end, but no issues. You explained it very well. The the part of your presentation that I was able to hear, it was good, and you prepared the presentation very well. Very good, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, who's there? Padmaja ma'am. Okay, Padmaja ma'am, go for it.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. So I'm going to explain two tips from 30. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to explain two tips from 13 tips for personality development. Give space to imperfections. Imperfections are common in everyone's life, but giving space to them for improvement is the one who strives to mold himself and his personality into a perfectionist with those imperfections. Be light in be light in mind and heart. Stay away from negativity. Don't think pessimistically in any circumstances, whether it is good or bad. Always be positive and healthy with positivity, and always have that attractive smile on your face, which can enlighten you and even others, and which can even spread a lot of positivity to the people around you. And thank you.
Ma'am, one thing I would like to add that it was very good. The presentation was very good, but one thing that you would have done now, you would have elaborated it more. More of the explanation was needed because it seems like you are just reading the lines. Okay,
Okay.
and for the
Yes, ma'am.
presentation you need to be very expressive, you need to be more elaborative so that you can read
Mm-hmm.
between the lines.
Mm-hmm.
Like, understand this,
Okay.
between the
Yes,
lines
yes.
means that whatever is not written over
Yes,
there, you
yes,
need to
yes.
explain that thing also.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
only that thing was missing, but otherwise you are always perfect. So it was as usual very good.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. For next time, please look for it that
Yes,
try to
yes,
explain
yes.
it and be more elaborative.
I was not feeling like well yesterday, so I couldn't prepare
No
much.
problem, ma'am. No
Yeah,
problem. So who's next? Raise
thank
up your
you.
hand quickly. Quickly raise your hand. Mayank sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Present your PPT, please.
Ma'am, please ask someone else. Actually, I'm logging from my laptop.
Okay.
My
Okay.
laptop just
So
got hanged, so
okay, sir. So
Sudha
I'll
ma'am,
be
ask
coming on.
Shikha ma'am. Shikha ma'am.
Okay, Shikha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Present your PPT, ma'am.
See guys, just do fast so that everyone can get a chance, because I am watching that many people are still not coming up with the PPT. So I want everyone to give chance. Okay, so just complete your PPT. Just 2 lines you have to explain and be expressive. As I'm telling you guys, it's a person developing class. Okay.
My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I am Shikha Yadav. Uh, I presenting my presentation. Uh, my first topic is be kind to yourself. Take good care of yourself. One of the best ways to show yourself kindness is to take good care of yourself. Get enough sleep and eat fruits and vegetables and get some form of exercise on a regular basis. Respect yourself.
You're doing very good, Shikha
It's
ma'am. Go for it.
interesting. What, ma'am? Hello?
Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. It's trusting yourself, thinking for yourself, forming your own options, and making your own decisions. Tell yourself, I am enough. We have all had times in our lives when we have thought, I am not good looking enough, or smart enough, or strong, and to get what I want. Stop it with the I am not enough self talk and replace it with the I am enough just as I am. I am worthy. I deserve to be happy. And my second topic is be a better uh, communication. Pay attention to body language. Pay attention to your conversation partner's body language. Are they fight getting or standing still, yawing or smiling? Pay attention to your own body language as well. If you are what exudes confidence, but your body language express nervousness, your conversation partner will pick up on that. It's important both to read others' body language and to pay attention to your own stance. Learn to listen. Active listening is the basic of all good communication. If you are not paying attention to what others are saying, there's no way you will be able to respond effectively. Focus on what your conversation partner is saying and, if necessary, repeat it mentally to make sure you understand the points they are making. Ask questions. Ask clarifying questions. It will ensure you understand what your conversation partner is saying, and so that you are paying attention. That's it.
Shika ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can you open up your screen, please?
What, ma'am?
Can you open your camera?
Open.
पीपीटी के लिए क्लैप नहीं दे रहा है मैंने, पीपीटी के लिए क्लैप नहीं दिया है आपने। जो अपने पॉइंट्स को ना 2-2 सेकंड के इलेबोरेट करा है, जिस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ इलेबोरेट करा है मैंने, उसके लिए ये करा। मैं फिर से करूंगी वो कॉन्फिडेंस जो फर्स्ट क्लास में था, जो आज दिख रहा है। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। वो पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन करा गया है। हेडिंग है प्रॉपर, मनी बाटर्स जहां से रिप्रेजेंट करते हो उसकी हेडिंग है। तो ये पीपीटी नहीं है, ये प्रॉपरली प्रोफेशनल पीपीटी है जो हम अपने सीडी में चांस देंगे, आपके नाम को शॉर्ट आउट देंगे अपने पेज पे और पीपीटी को जरूर हाईलाइट करेंगे। बहुत अच्छी पीपीटी बनाई है आपने, वेरी गुड, सो 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 प्राउड ऑफ यू। मुझे बहुत अंदर से इतना फीलिंग आ रहा है कि मैं तुम्हें वहां तो मोदी में हक दे देती कि तुम कितना अच्छा काम कर रही हो। वेरी गुड,
थैंक यू,
प्राउड ऑफ यू बच्चा, वेरी गुड। ओके मैम, whom we have next?
May I?
Yes, may I answer?
Okay, ma'am. Is my screen visible?
No sir.
Is my screen visible now? Is it visible now?
Yes, visible,
sir.
visible.
Okay, ma'am. Hello everyone, I am Mayank Tomar. I am presenting the tips for personality development. My first point is positive mindset. Work on keeping a positive mindset no matter what happens in your life. We always should practice gratitude, which is a one way of learning this. And building your resilience is also an important. My second point is open to possibilities. We should always be open to possibilities. It is an easier to resist change. Change is scary and uncomfortable. But we should always remember that change is always a new possibility too. So we always say yes to possibilities. Thank you, ma'am.
Mayank sir,
Yes, ma'am.
the screen on करिए अपनी कैमरा.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा पीपीटी ये मुझे इससे लगा है एक्सप्लेनेशन कुछ नहीं थी पीपीटी में, एक्सप्रेसिवनेस भी नहीं थी पीपीटी, मगर अच्छा ये लगा है कि पॉइंट्स कितना अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट्स हमने अपने पीपीटी में लिए हैं. ये पॉइंट्स मेरे नहीं है मगर सिलेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट्स उसके लिए वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
Thank you.
That's called Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, he was not able to attend the class yesterday. He was absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of network glitch. But he did his assignment, come up with new points. And that is called the word
dedication.
You heard me right, babes. That's called the word.
Thank you, ma'am.
dedication.
Thank you very much.
And you know, this is really called dedication. Like you come up today with so much energy, so much of positivity, and with good points. Like these points also open to possibilities. Wow. Okay, I'm not seeing it. Okay, it's okay. I see the PPT afterwards. Very good. Keep it up, Mayank sir. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very, very good. I'm so proud of you, my child. So proud of you. Very good. Okay. So next we have Pankaj sir. Pankaj sir की मुझे आज PPT देखनी है. मेरी बात नहीं हो पा रही है बहुत दिन से क्योंकि communication gap हो रहा है. Pankaj sir.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सर आज आपके चांस है, आज आपको प्रूफ करना है, अपने पॉइंट्स को एलैबोरेट करना है सर.
Is my screen visible?
Yes sir, visible.
So first, I'm going to talk about better communicator. So like whenever you guys get a chance to talk. Don't feel that the word may be wrong. What people will tell. Leave all that. What is coming to your mind, just tell it, because that is the thing. Because every people have their own mindset, their own words, own thing. So you cannot expect that if that person is going in flow, so you might not be able to go in flow. You might be stuck. You might go blank on the stage. So never think of other self and try to give your best. Then is like be a lion in the face of danger. Means whenever anything comes, be ready to face it.
Wait, Pankaj sir, wait. Amazing. Very good. Very good. See.
Thank you, ma'am.
थ्योरी कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर, सब पिक्चर्स के थ्रू दिखाए हैं. वाओ. Wow, sir. Wow. So proud of you, sir. So proud of you. Picture presentation. Picture presentation जो मुझे चाहिए थी पीपीटी में, वो मुझे दिखा है आपके पीपीटी में. Sir, I'm so proud of you, sir. So proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So proud of you. दो पिक्चर है, एक पिक्चर को एक्सप्लेन करी, दूसरी पिक्चर दूसरी को एक्सप्लेन करी है. शेर था, यू आर द लायन ऑफ डेंजर, डेंजर था. वहां लायन था, वहां डेंजर था. वहां कम्युनिकेशन था, वहां दो लोग हैंडशेक कर रहे हैं, वो कम्युनिकेशन था. वेरी गुड. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, that was basically the efforts that was quite visible from his PPT.
But नहीं मैम, ये इमेजिनेशन देखिए आप, इमेजिनेशन कहाँ से कहाँ गई है उसकी. वो ये कम्युनिकेशन था, फिर वहाँ दो लोग हाथ बना रहे, वो समझ में आ रहा है कि कम्युनिकेशन का सिंबल. फिर वहाँ शेर था, वो डेंजर को दिखाया. वो प्रोटॉन्स था, उसकी फोटो लगा दी. तो मैम यही तो होती है पीपीटीज मैम. Simple but explanative but expressive.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am? Ma'am, a big shout out, ma'am. Big shout out. Come on,
yes, ma'am. Exactly.
Thank
Very
you,
well done.
Very good. Very good. Bestest PPT यार, bestest PPT. मतलब सारी PPT मैं तुमसे बनवाऊंगी अपनी सारी PPT सब, क्योंकि मैं समझ में आ चुका है तुम क्या theoretical knowledge रखते हो. Very good. क्योंकि यू नो गाइस, सही बात है, इसने जो यूज करा ना, ये सर ने जो यूज करना, वो बहुत सही यूज करा है, बिकॉज पीपीटी के टाइम पे वी डोंट हैव टाइम टू वॉच द थ्योरी. People don't have time in the meetings because they're so much in rush now, they don't have time to watch the PPT. So उस टाइम पे क्या होता है, पिक्चर्स देख के ना उनको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. जैसे मान लो एक पिक्चर है, मैं उसको ऐसे करके एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, वो वर्ड्स मेरे होंगे, मुझे पढ़ना नहीं है पीपीटी में देखकर, क्योंकि वहाँ टाइम ही नहीं है किसी को सुनने का मेरा. मुझे सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन करना है कि ये ऐसा है, वो खुद समझ जाएंगे. एंड देन योर पीपीटी गेट्स सिलेक्टेड फॉर द कंपनी. पंकज सर मान गए, सर मान गए. वेरी गुड सर, वेरी गुड, प्राउड ऑफ यू. कीप दैट अप सर. सर आपको पीपीटी में एक्सप्लेन करनी हो 3 पॉइंट्स, तो आप ऐसे एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए विदाउट स्क्रीन शेयरिंग. आपका मैंने बीच में रोक दिया था क्योंकि मेरा जोश इतना जाग गया मुझे बोलने का, मुझे बोलना ही है भाई, बस पीपीटी बनेगा.
अच्छा, ठीक है मैम. ठीक है मैम. पहला है effective communication. First is like you never stop whether you are speaking wrong. Until you speak, you won't be able to analyze whether you are speaking right or wrong. Next is that never run from the situation, because if you are running many times, you know, you are God has written like you will be winning, but if you are not participating, God is just erasing that thing. Like for example, you was able to win first prize, but due to hesitation that what people will think you did not win, so that went from your hand. So never feel that I will go, means always think that if you are doing that thing, surely you are going to get something. Like if you are losing also, you won't feel that I lost, because there should be like always like some people are like, okay, that they had done, even I also could have done, but they never do. So instead of doing, we do. If you are fail also, you can say that I tried and I failed. Thank you.
So for that I want to give you something, sir. Just wait a second. Let me give you an appreciation. Hand it, come on. Hello.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is for you, and I'm keeping it here. Okay.
Okay.
This is your today's appreciation. Yesterday, topper got that. Topper got that gold medal. Got it? Okay. And today you received this.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, I cannot come and give you because it's COVID situation. So from there only, you just accept my appraisal.
Yes, ma'am. I accepted.
Okay. Very good. Okay, ma'am, who is left next?
Next, who's coming? Who's left? Prabhat sir. Prabhat sir, did you explain yesterday?
No, ma'am. He's left.
Okay, so Prabhat sir, go for it.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आज, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आज. मैं सत्य आसमान पे हूँ. श्रद्धा मैम.
यस मैम.
ये मेंटोरशिप की, ये जो हमारी लाइफ होती है, लाइक ये जो स्टेज होता है मेंटोरशिप का, ये मैम कब सक्सेसफुल होता है हमारा?
जब जिनके साथ, मतलब जिनके हम मेंटोर बन रहे हैं, वो इस लेवल पे आ जाएं कि उनकी जो भी की हुई चीजें हैं वो हमें बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे पसंद आने लग जाएं.
And I'm like, बहुत खुश हूँ मैम, बहुत खुश हूँ.
I think this is the last presentation for today because
yes,
मैम शायद प्रभात सर को नहीं जमरा कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं.
अच्छा प्रभात सर, एक काम करिए, पीपीटी शेयर करिए अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. सिद्धि मैम वो करेंगी.
मैम either explain Prabhat sir how to share the screen once, like try.
Okay.
If he's not having a technical glitch, let him learn it now.
Get back. Good. Very good. Shraddha ma'am rocks.
Yes, ma'am. सर आपने वहां से अनम्यूट नहीं किया खुद को.
Ma'am, first point is know about yourself. So, good evening, ma'am. So, first point is to know about yourself. So I want to say that we should never compare ourselves with other, because everyone had one or the other skill. So instead of doing competition with other what he had, we should we should focus on interest, which is the key mantra for success. Be kind to yourself. So we should understand ourselves. We should give some time to ourselves to heal ourselves, to bring happiness, then give space to implementation. So implementation is nothing but um, life is so busy. So we will do one or the other mistake. So we will become frustration, dissatisfaction, and irritation. So if we are giving space to these things, we will be able to balance our emotion and avoid guilt. Next is be light in your heart and mind. So this is a law of nature that everyone is not perfect. So people will judge you differently. So we need to change ourselves instead of keeping in mind whatever the words told by them, and like uh, like and feeling guilt and destroying our happiness. Then stay enthusiastic. So try to live in moment instead of thinking about future. So in life nothing is stable, so everything go up and down. So because nothing is in our hand, we are just the presenter, and God is the judge. So in front of the judge, we have to be performing our duty. We 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 can't expect what what we expect. So in life everything cannot go as per our expectation. It can go up and down. We will plan every something, we expect something, and we get written something. So we need to learn to be enthusiastic, then be a better communicator. So be a communicator, so we learn so many things, but our word is not uh, in a if our speaking tone is harsh, then it destroy everything. If our body language is good or not, but our word shape our body language. So we need to be a better communicator than do
Prabhat sir,
things. Yes, ma'am.
come back to us, back to the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
What to say? Like words are less to express your.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Prabhat
ma'am.
sir, see the chat box first. Did
Actually, I
you
don't
receive all the compliments?
Yes,
actually I
Prabhat sir,
don't know
your
to do
PPT was
PPT, ma'am.
good, but I have one suggestion that don't add that effect. It was affecting the eyes, like that yellowish type. I don't know.
No issues. Okay,
Actually,
Prabhat
I
sir will
don't
work
know
on
to
it.
do
प्रभात
PPT.
सर, क्या क्या हो गया सर? बताइए, नर्वसनेस क्यों फेस पे आपको दिख रही है? क्या हुआ? परेशान लग रहे हैं? बताइए.
Nothing, ma'am.
खुश रहिए, हैप्पी रहिए ना. हैप्पी भी तो आप अच्छे लगोगे. सैड से तो फिर हमें भी सैड सैड हो जाएगा कि प्रभात सर परेशान है, तो हम
No,
कैसे खुश
because
रहेंगे?
I
सर आपका
felt that
पीपीटी अच्छा
my
था, आप
PPT
इतने
was
नर्वस क्यों?
worst
सिद्धि मैम,
PPT.
लेट हिम स्पीक मैम, लेट हिम स्पीक. हाँ
Actually,
जी.
I went through everyone PPT, ma'am.
ओहो यार,
PPT is not good.
ऐसे
Sir,
मत करा करो
no, you
यार.
are incomparable. This is what we taught.
मैम, don't compare to others. Who
You
told you
are
to compare?
incomparable and you did it very well. your try was like 100%. We can very, very clearly sense that try of yours. And it was very good.
Siddhi ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Say something to Prabhat sir, ma'am. Some motivating something like that. He's
Yes,
not
yes, ma'am. Of course. प्रभात सर आपने बहुत ही अच्छा किया. Like अभी यहाँ सब यही एक्सप्लेन हुआ कि अपने आप को किसी और से कंपेयर नहीं कीजिए और आपका पीपीटी सच में बहुत अच्छा था. उसमें जो वर्ड्स थे ना वो भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किए थे आपने.
Ma'am, can I say something to him?
Yes, ma'am.
Prabhat sir, there's a proverb that try and
was
try until you
knowing,
get
ma'am.
sucked. Sir, try and try until you get succeed. पहली बार में किसी को success नहीं मिलेगा, okay? So it was very good try. So if you keep trying like this, you will like fly, very high in your life, sir. All the best.
So one thing to tell
Thank
that
you so much.
at least, you know what? At least you tried it, because there are many people in our batches who even are not joining our classes. That thing hurts the most. And the way you are like, you are working on yourself, and that is quite visible that you're working on yourself.
I would have changed
You
my
are
PPT
working, you are
now,
making
but
PPT. No problem, sir. You have explained it now. If you want, you just change it and then send it in the group. Okay, if you want to do that.
okay,
Yeah, and
ma'am.
if you don't want to do that, your PPT was quite perfect. No issues. You did it very well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Siddhi ma'am, now you can stop the recording, please.